Isekai is the best things what might happen to you if you broke the same as me. Today we will start a new game, Isekai RPG. I wanted to create a slime game, so today I will add one part, one sphere, put one sphere inside of part, click on the part, and if you go to the model, click negate, then combine it and press union. Here you have your slime, but it's a little bit ugly, so we will first need to go to Explorer and change it to starter character. One part which we have, we need to rename to humanoid root part because that's the main part. Without this, it doesn't exist. And then we will add humanoid. To make it not ugly, let's make transparency, change color, and also don't forget to press use part color, otherwise it's gonna be dumb. Then go to toolbox, find decals, which is pictures, and put any ugly picture on your character. Let's try Hungary as my grandma, or let's try kawaii like my girl, or just simple like this. Put it in starter player and let's see. It doesn't work. Good. Let's put it back and try again. Maybe after 1000 years I will make it work. Okay, now it works. Thank you so much for likes. Tell me in the comments what do I need to do with this character, and let's execute together.